Zooplus is the website where I often get Freyja's food from. Hey Freyja. So let's open this thing. Here we are. Oh, Freyja, be careful. She's like, Mommy, you be careful. And I'm like, Freyja, be careful. Oh. Sorry. Oh, she got scared of the loud noise there. Just to the sides like that. Oh no. They packed it pretty well. This time I got some more, this time I got some more different things. Like this is like a snack ball thing. So you just put snacks in there, and then so I thought, you know, she likes playing with balls, generally paper balls, but I thought I'd try this as well. This is just a mat to put her food bowls on, so it protects, you know, the floor, or just like keeps it clean. And I thought that would be cute, and it was on sale for $1, not $1, €1. But it got a little wrinkled. I got this too. This is wet cat food. Did I open this backwards? Because look, all the cans are upside down in it. But they're just different kinds of wet cat food, and this is kind of a cheap brand but really good quality, and I've only seen it online on Zooplus, but it's called Cosma. And oh, they gave me this free. They were supposed to give me some different kind of snacks free if I ordered a bag of this. This is the big, this is 4 kilograms of Happy Cat. Ugh. It's the dry cat food, and it's not bad. Anyways, 4 kilograms, lamb flavor. This is a natural, pretty good quality. I think the same as like Hill's quality cat food. So with that, they were supposed to give me a free bag of snacks. Maybe they like ran out of that brand. It was a different brand, and instead they gave me a bag of this Royal Canin, but this is for the Persian cat, and so it's really good for hairball reduction and special or long hair. Freyja likes Royal Canin, so I don't think it will be a problem for her to eat this as well.
Box like this that I gotta open now.
So I got the Cosma Thai. This is a more special kind of thing. This is also wet food in these little boxes that have different flavors inside each of them. I have 4 boxes of these, but inside there are actually different flavors. There are these, you know, packets of wet food. Some of these are all like, you know, the gelatin kind of packs. I think so. And yeah, it's in jelly. So Cosma Thai in jelly is a premium cat food made from specially selected and freshly prepared ingredients. Consists of pieces of meat and lightly enriched with rice for an exotic flavor. Cosma Thai is the natural, great tasting food for your cat. The practical pouch means that Cosma Thai is easy to portion and always stays fresh. A delicious treat for your cat.
So, how much did I pay for this? Where's the friggin'... Where? They did not include the receipt in it, but...
There's 6 times 4 boxes of 100 grams. Maybe 11 to 13 euros, and so that's a really good price, because generally here those kind of packs are 85 grams and cost like €1 or minimum 60 cents a packet, but this was pretty good actually. This costs also about 12, maybe 11 or 12 euros, I think, maybe 10 euros, 10 to 12 euros. Yeah, it's pretty good quality. I'll show you another time how it looks inside, like how the meat and stuff actually looks. Ta-da! That's what it looks like. It got wrinkled, but It'll be okay. They should be more careful when packing. I should have put this down flat on the bottom first. Let's try. See if this, I want to try this snack ball thing and see if it works. Oh, Freyja wants to go out now. There she is. Hey, Freyja. Oh no. Just wait a moment. It's actually not very nice outside today. So Freyja, this is a container that I keep some of Freyja's dry food in. Actually, this is a Royal Canin brand. I only give this to her sometimes, so I use it like a treat, but it's actually a dry food. But she really, really loves this. This is the Maine Coon one, and that's why I only give it to her as a treat, because Maine Coons are bigger and this is higher in calories. Freyja. So she really... Here, Freyja. She went the other way now. Anyways. So she really, really likes it. And she's excited now. But let's see. Look, there's a little hole in this ball. And it turns like that. I don't know if you can see. Like, then it closes, right? So you just got to put the treat in there. It didn't come with instructions, so, but it's easy. So I'm gonna put a few in there. 3. Look, I put 3 in there, and now I'm gonna close it. I guess that's how you play with it. Ah. Hey, Freyja. It's noisy though on the floor. Freyja doesn't like when it's noisy. She's just hungry, actually. But that's the perfect time to try to play Freyja. She's not interested right now in it. Let's see. No, she's not interested in it. Oh, but now you smell it. I think she's more interested in the happy cat. Freyja, don't bite the bags. I have to keep the bags and store her food out of reach because otherwise she will destroy the bags to get to the food, even if she's not really hungry. Oh, it's the camera. Okay, I'm gonna give her some food and see. I'll try the ball thing later. Aye. Freyja. So I'm trying again. I put the treats in there, and she knows they're in there. I showed her when I put the treats in there very clearly. I let her smell the treats first. Let's see if it works now. She's like, where did they go? Where are my treats? I thought I was getting treats. Let's see. I think she's just confused now. And she likes her paper balls and aluminum balls. Look. Hey. Because she smells that. Oh, wait. Wait. I think she's a bit confused. I left the hole open as well because I don't know, because otherwise they won't come out. Uh-oh, one did come out right now. Oh, look. Let's take this. Uh-oh, they're coming out. I don't want them to all come out.
Ottima l'apertura di campo di seguito di rovescio, poi perfetto il tocco sulla volée, incrociata perfettamente. Primo punto con e seconda di servizio in arrivo per lo spagnolo.
No, I just managed to confuse her, I think. Got one hit out of her.
Verso Lopez a comandare. 2-1. Vengono attribuiti 20 errori già a secco nel corso di questo primo set.
Si è sbagliato tanti, di vincenti ne abbiamo visti pochi.
L'uno senti che ha un prezioso mini break da gestire.
Chicken with quail egg.